Hey guys, QB377 here, and today we're going to take a look at a hard drive. Yeah, I've been watching a lot of videos from this guy named Arnlol. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Link is in the description. Long story short, he uploads videos showcasing various vintage hard drives, and I kind of like that, so I figured I'd take a couple that I own and give them a spin. For this video, we're going to look at this Seagate drive. It's a 3.5 inch, 7200 RPM Barracuda hard drive, IDE 300 gig. This one specifically is a certified repaired hard drive. You can see the label right there. I got this drive from a friend of mine as a replacement for my vintage computer, which is also the first computer I ever owned. It's a Dell Dimension 2100 with a 1.1 gigahertz Celeron. Anyways, all that aside, let's show this thing off. And yeah, if you're wondering, I'm recording this from my phone. I don't have any sort of a proper setup here.